We continue our discussion about the DNS in Sandbox, and this video is about a private DNS server or our private DNS server. If we forward a user request to a tunnel, in that endpoint that we have, we can have a private DNS server as well. As I have run this, this is again coming down. This is smart DNS, but I'm running just the localhost 53 DNS server and nothing else. Also, I'm running the HY2 stereo 2 proxy server in order to connect that. And the file is back to the normal. We have the Google DNS server, nothing else is here. The inbound, mixed, and the ton and the direct one, and sniffing and hijacking the DNS queries. So here, if I run this, and if I query for BBC, is going to be hijacked by a firewall between me and the public DNS server Google. So we want to send our DNS query through the proxy that reaches this private DNS server and be resolved. In the private DNS server, let me try it. dig 127.0.0.1 x.com. I changed the IP to 7.8.9.10 and BBC actually to 10.9.8.7. This is a test and demo and dummy IPs. They are not valid, just to show you how actually a hijacking works, that a private DNS server, we can hijack our request as well, or having it for resolving whatever the IP we want to send back to a query. So running the server again, the first thing that we should do is having a proxy. So I'm going to copy the HY2 proxy here, copy that, and then pasting it for the outbound that we have. So this is the outbound. Actually, this one is not necessary. So we have HY2. Let's test if we can get to the server. One of them is not needed. Okay, so we need this one as well. And we don't need this comma. It should be here. And then running it, it's okay. 2080, it should go to the tunnel. So we are in the tunnel. So dig xyzx.com 10.10.34.34. So it's going to be hijacked by a firewall in my region. Let's go up and define our private DNS server. If we add it to the top, which is the first one, we know Sandbox is going to use it by default. So I say smart DNS. The IP is 127.0.0.0.1. So, and then 53, which is the first one. Right now it doesn't work, and you should know why it doesn't work here again. The reason also, we have the warning, so I should add the domain resolver to the HY2. So I add the domain resolver an object which the server is actually, for example, google.com. Google. Why Google? Because it's going to resolve for the domain. If I have a domain here, this domain resolver is necessary. Otherwise, it's not. Right now, it's not necessary, just for silencing the warning. Actually, I can change it to proxy myname.net in order to making it fully best practice. And then we have the DNS server, and it doesn't work at the moment, I said, because we have to also define the outbound associated with this, which is detour HY2. Now the query for a smart DNS, which is the first one, and by default is going to be selected by Sandbox, goes to the proxy, and the proxy is forwarding it to the DNS server that we have, private DNS server that we have. Again, it gives us the warning because we don't have it for the outbound. So for this outbound, let's add this as well. That's the warning for this, and I should have it here. I shouldn't see any warning. Let's check it. Yeah, full compatible, no warning. Run it again. Now let's query for x.com. What you see is 7, 8, 9, 10. If I check for BBC, 10, 9, 8, 7. So we were able to send our query DNS through the tunnel and deliver it to our host. Actually, it's a simple one, but probably some people need that, so that's the reason I recorded this video, and hopefully it's useful. So wherever you see the video, please comment and share your thoughts and ask any questions or any ideas you have. Also, we have a channel on Telegram, a group, ton tab. You can ask your question as well. I created the GitHub repository. Ton tab and configuration are available in that repository. Also, you can ask question there. Thank you for watching the video. Let's go to next video.